mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Calvary Quezon ng Jesus My Devotion for today, June 7, and the topic po natin for today is, ikaw ba ay isang intercessor? Or, ano po ba yun? Intercessor is Jesus' ongoing act of standing in God's presence and presenting petitions for us as our great high priest. Even now, he is praying for you, pleading your case, securing your future. Intercession also refers to the prayers we offer for others through Christ. We are invited into his holy work of lifting one another before the Father. So ano po ba yung ibig sabihin po nito? So intercession po means ating Panginoon Kristo ay umuupo or sa tabi po ng ating Panginoon para po makipag-usap at para po ay tayo ay masamba. Dahil of course kung sino nga po naniniwala sa ating Panginoon ay pupunta po sa langit or nakaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan, yung salvation. Ang ibig po lang yun is maniwala lang sa ating Panginoon na namatay siya para sa iyo is talagang makukuha mo yung gift of salvation. And of course pag naniniwala ka it means magbabago rin yung buhay mo, magkakaroon ka ng fruits na tinatawag. Ibig sabihin yung bunga kung yung bunga mo, yung pagbubunga mo dahil naniniwala ka sa ating Panginoon sa Kristo. So, ating scripture for today po is Hebrews chapter 7 verse 25 on 24-25. But because Jesus lives forever, he has a permanent priesthood. Therefore, he is able to save completely those who come to God through him, because he always lives to intercede for them. So, teaching natin for today is, Jesus constantly intercedes for us. Christians are called to stand in the gap. Intercession is based on Christ's finished work. So, unang-una po dyan is Jesus constantly intercedes for us kasi of course siya po ang anak po ng ating Panginoon, and he chose to give his life for us, na kahit nagkakamali po tayo, marami po tayong kasamaan na ginagawa, ay naniniwala po tayo sa kanya. Kaya doon po nag-i-intercede ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Kasi sabi niya nga yung kasalanan niya ay wala na, napatawad na. Second teaching, Christians are called to stand in the gap. Sabihin na tayo po as Christians maging number one pa po tayo na maging light of this world, maging salt and light of this world, na pinaprevent po natin na kasamaan na lumaganap pa. Next one is intercession is based on Christ's finished work. Sinunod nga po ng ating Panginoon lahat ng utos ng ating Panginoon. Ating Panginoon sa Kristo ay naghihirap at namatay dahil po sa mga kasalanan natin. So that is why he has to intercede for us para po magkaroon na rin po tayo ng buhay na walang hanggan. So, ayun lang po ako sa Calvary Quezon ng Jesus My Devotion for today, June 7. Sana po ang marami kayo na. Ayun lang po, and God bless.